Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Once again, I'm gonna unbox a hair clipper from Rosyous. This hair clipper right here. This is the Rosyous with the model number 999C. And this is the box right here. Okay, very simple, as you can see. And you got many colors, you know, but I got the white color, and you got green, red, or something like that, then orange, then black. You know, it's a vector motor, got 8,500 RPMs, and it revs till 20,000 RPMs. Got 2,600 milliamp battery, anti-slip texture, less than 75 decibel. So we're gonna try that and see if maybe it's really less than 75 decibel. And got metal bottom case. Not bad. Okay, 3 hours charging time and 120 minutes operating time, as you can see. So now let's open it up, and then we're gonna see what's inside this box. Okay, comes like this. Inside the box comes a charging cable. Okay, normal charging port. Okay, charging dock, as you can see. Okay, 2 ways of charging: USB-C and the normal charging port. Yeah, the manual. Okay, what else? And some guards. So let's open it. So this is the smallest, as you can see. Okay, and the biggest. Wait a moment, I need to open everything. Number 7 to number 7, yeah, to number 8. Okay, so what else inside? Nothing else inside. That's it. And yo, this is the hair clipper, so you can see. Really nice. It looks good with the white and black color, and here it's written Rosyous, so you can see. A moment. Okay, now wait a minute. Yeah, okay, and the cutter blade. Okay, the lever. Comes with a 5 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicks. And the blade kind of different, you know. It's a vector motor, Rosyous Pro, and the back side, as you can see. So now sound check. And I guess if you press it longer, it will be automatic lock. Yeah, it's already locked now. So press it again, maybe 3 seconds. So it feels good in the hand. It's not bad. It's a thin cutter blade. So you can see. Thin cutter blade. It's not bad. 2 ways of charging. Yeah. So let's try.
Call me a god. Call me a god. Call me a god. Call me a god. Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. You call me a god. You call me a god. Till I drop, whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly, never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady, look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy, I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny. You call me a god. You call me a god.